Learning medicine is hard work. Osmosis makes it easy. It takes your lectures and notes to create a personalized study plan with exclusive videos, practice questions, and flashcards, and so much more. Try it free today.
With Lichen Planus, lichen means tree moss, and planus refers to flat. And the reason it's called that is because Lichen Planus is a flat-topped skin rash that looks a bit like tree moss. Lichen Planus is an immune-mediated disorder, meaning that the immune system has started attacking its own skin, resulting in the rash. Lichen Planus can also affect mucous membranes. Now, the skin is divided into 3 layers. The epidermis forms the thin outermost layer of skin. Underneath is the thicker dermis layer that contains the nerves and blood vessels. And finally, there's the hypodermis, which is made of fat and connective tissue that anchors the skin to the underlying muscle. The epidermis itself is made of multiple layers of developing keratinocytes, which are flat, pancake-shaped cells that are named for the keratin protein that they're filled with. Keratinocytes start their life at the lowest layer of the epidermis, called the stratum basale, or basal layer, which is made of a single layer of stem cells that continually divides and produces new keratinocytes. These new keratinocytes then migrate upwards to form the other layers of the epidermis. The stratum basale also contains another group of cells, the melanocytes, which secrete a protein pigment, or coloring substance, called melanin. As keratinocytes in the stratum basale mature and lose the ability to divide, they migrate into the next layer called the stratum spinosum, which is about 8 to 10 cell layers thick. The next layer up is the stratum granulosum, which is 3 to 5 cell layers thick. Keratinocytes in this layer begin the process of keratinization, which is the process where the keratinocytes flatten out and die. Keratinization leads to development of the stratum lucidum layer, which is 2 to 3 cell layers thick of translucent, dead keratinocytes. Finally, there's the stratum corneum, or the uppermost and thickest layer of the epidermis, which is like a wall of 20 to 30 layers, where the glycolipid acts like the cement and the dead keratinized cells are the bricks. Now, the part of the skin connecting the stratum basale of the epidermis to the underlying dermis is called the dermoepidermal junction. In healthy people, this junction looks like smooth waves between the epidermis and the dermis. But if you look